Welcome dudes and dudettes to this week's video where I'm going to show you how you can sneakily get a video from a closed Facebook group that you're part of. But first of all, a big fat disclaimer. Do not steal other people's content. Don't steal their stuff. That's no cool, no bueno. Why I'm showing this to you though is that sometimes you do work for a client and this client asks you to get the videos to live streams that they did in their own group for content to then repurpose that one. So that's a good reason for you to then try and get this video, and Facebook doesn't make it easy for you, obviously. And also a second big disclaimer is it works for now like this. It might not work forever like this, but in that case, well, I'm still going to show you how it works. So I'm going to go into a group where I know that there's a lot of awesome content and amazing, awesome Hannah does live streams that she then wants to repurpose. So I'm going to the videos tab, go to her video where she did the live stream with the huge content, and first of all, I'm going to get rid of the sound. So once you're in the video, you have to go to the address bar, and instead of the 3 W's, you switch that up and go to add in an M instead of that, which will then take you to the mobile version of this video. The next thing that you do is right click and click on inspect, which will open up this inspector tool of Chrome. Again, it only works in Chrome for now. I haven't tried it in Firefox or other browsers, but that's how you can do this in Chrome. Okay, so once you've clicked on the clicked inspect and the tool opens, you have to click on the network tab at the top here. And you will see that there are a lot of few sub tabs, and one of them is media, and that's where we're going to click. And then you go back to the page and click on play. And I'm going to shut her up again, even though she's awesome. And you see, once you've clicked play, you see at the bottom here that there's a file that shows up, which we're then going to double click, and we're going to shut that up again. And here you see how the video is now separate out of Facebook, basically. And here you click on the 3 dots and click on download, and boom. There you see the file is already downloading. Again, don't steal other people's content, but yeah, that's how you can get videos also for your clients to repurpose, because sometimes it's not as easy to get the stuff that you upload to Facebook back down again. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and see you again next week. Bye. That's it for today. So if you've liked this video and it was helpful at all, give me a thumbs up or give me a few comments below. Or you can subscribe to my channel, but I'm not sure where it is. So maybe it's a red button, has a bell on it. So click the bell and follow my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.